We collect fresh milk and test its quality before chocolate production begins.
We heat and process the milk to make it safe and creamy for chocolate.
We grind high-quality cocoa beans into fine cocoa paste for rich chocolate flavor.
We mix milk, cocoa, and sugar to create the base of dairy milk chocolate.
We refine the chocolate to achieve a smooth and creamy texture.
We conching the chocolate for hours to enhance taste and remove bitterness.
We pour the chocolate into molds to shape perfect chocolate bars.
We cool the chocolate carefully so it sets with a glossy finish. We wrap and pack each bar to keep it fresh and delicious.
This is how we make dairy milk chocolate from milk to bar.